OMBAR 3-channel dashcam. Three-channel dashcam monitors the front, the rear, and the inside simultaneously. 3.18 LCD screen. Magnetic mounting bracket for quick detachment and attachment. 135-degree rotatable angle for ideal recording. We have your front camera, which records up to 4K with a field of view of 170 degrees. On the bottom, you have your reset button, followed by your mode button. Then we have your mic. Then we have your down button. Next would be your OK button. Then your up button, followed by your power button. On the side, you have your rear camera connection port, followed by your SD card slot, which you have an included 64 gig memory card. Your card slot supports up to 512 gigabytes. On the other side, you have your cabin camera port. You have your cabin camera, which also magnetically connects. The cabin camera records up to 1080p with a field of view of 150 degrees. The camera is also adjustable. The cabin camera has 6 hidden IR LEDs to see inside the car clearly even in total darkness. The camera will automatically adjust exposure in low light conditions to capture clear footage. Internal GPS on the mounting bracket to capture location and speed. You have your rear camera, which records at 1080p with a field of view of 150 degrees. You can adjust the camera for ideal angle recording. You have a 20-foot camera cable, a 12-foot cigarette plug adapter with an additional USB port, a total of 4 electrostatic films, your trim tool, additional adhesive, a few cable management clips, and your user manual. Now let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. To go into your menu, you want to stop recording first. As you can see, the red dot's blinking. That means it's recording. You want to hit OK to stop recording, and then hit menu. This will take you to your menu screen.